This video is for everybody who asked for an unboxing of my new iPhone, like Flame McHugh, and that's a cat in the way. Here is the busted phone. It's my old 3G, not 3GS, just old 3G. Okay, Tiger. So that's what that looks like. Here's the new iPhone. I will pop that sucker open. Open that up. Ooh, there it is. Pull it with the little tab. So that powers up. Pardon me, I'm fighting a cat. It's helping me unbox. Very nice. And still waiting for it to power up. This comes with fingertips. I guess those are tips for fingers. Ooh, pretty. Cool.